Hi everyone, in this video I will share to all of you on how you can access Grammarly Premium for free on any Windows and Mac devices. But before we start, hi, my name is JC and I'm a content creator from the Philippines. If you're new to this channel, my channel focuses on different things concerning about maximizing your tech experience. And without further ado, let's start this video. Okay, so we're now on my PC, and the first thing that you need to do is to make sure that you will sign out your account for this process. But before we sign out my account, as you can see, my Grammarly is not in premium, so after this video you will be able to use its premium features, of course. But as what I've mentioned earlier, just make sure to sign out your account. Once you've successfully signed out your account, the second step that you need to do is to make sure that your browser is Chromium-based, meaning that the core technology of your browser is using the same core technology of what the Google Chrome use for you to be able to install the extensions from Google Chrome. For example, this browser Opera is Chromium-based one, and with this I will be able to install extensions from Google Chrome Web Store. So for the list of Chromium-based browsers, you can refer to this section here on my video. You can pause this part, or I will just leave the link on my video, the list of this one, for you to be able to read or make sure that your browser is a Chromium-based browser. So once you have successfully confirmed that your browser is Chromium-based, the next step you need to do is go to the second link that I will post, of course. For this one, you need to sign in with your Google account for you to be able to install this extension. So for this cookie editor, all you need to do is to just install this on your browser. For this one, let's just remove this one for me to be able to show this to you that this works. So just click add to Opera, or what the name of your browser is, and once the pop-up appear, just select add extension. Okay, as you can see, the cookie editor has been added to Opera. So if you cannot see here the cookie editor, you can just select this one to pin for you to be able to easily access the extension. So the very important step is to make sure that after you've done this, you will go to this link for you to be able to access the cookies that you will be used for you to be able to access the Grammarly. Okay, so I already used this for more than 6 months already. I've used it for my schoolworks and academic stuffs. So as you all know, I'm still a student and I'm doing this as more of like a sideline. And most of the time, 80% this is working. So there are times that you cannot access it, but it will just come back after 3 to 4 hours, thanks to the creator of this. So let's just scroll down, and as you can see here that it shows that it is updated on Monday of 14 February 2022. So you can also see here, if the cookies are not working, it will just turn red, but for this one, as you can see, it is in green, which means it is working. So for you to access this, the next that you need to do is to select one of this. For this one, let's just select this one, the number 1, tap it, and select download. Okay, an ad just appeared, so let's just try it again. Tap download. As you can see, it will redirect you to another page, and just single click this, and it just automatically copied to your system. So after that, go back to Grammarly and select the cookie editor, and just go to this one that shows delete all, tap it, and next step you need to do is go to import and just Control V or paste the thing that we had just copied earlier. Okay, once you're finished with that, just tap this one to show import for you to be able to import the cookies to your browser. Okay, once you're finished with that, just reload the Grammarly. Okay, if it's not working, let's try the other one. Let's try to delete this. Let's just go back. Let's just try the second one. It is just short sacrifice for you to be able to use this. I know that some of you do not have funds to access this, and I'm very thankful, of course, that there are some people who creates this stuff for us to be able to use, especially for the students who want to create better explanations or essays with their assignments or projects. Okay, it's not working. Try it again. Paste. Okay. Oh, it's not working. Let's try the third one. Select this one. Go back to Grammarly. Select delete all. Hit paste. Tap import and reload Grammarly. And as you can see, we already got in. For this one, you can just import your text here by just clicking new or upload your own document. And let's try to create or paste one of the sample essays that I got online. So let's try Control V. And as you can see, for those who are using free version of Grammarly, this domain is not available for us. And as you can see right now, it is available because this Grammarly is in premium. So you can just adjust here whatever you want. You can now adjust it based on what you want it to be. So general can be formal or business. So for this one, let's try to be academic and inform. Let's try done. And as you can see, it is complete. And I will not spend most of your time clicking all of the suggestions in this video. So as you can see, let's try to check plagiarism check, and this one is not available for free version of Grammarly. Of course, before we finish this video, once you're finished with this, for you to make sure that your work will not be distributed anywhere else, just select Control A and delete your work. Just make sure of that. I always advise that to everyone. Once you got your own finished product of your essay or paragraph or anything else that is related to this, just delete it for you to be able to make sure that your output will not be distributed anywhere else. Okay? Once you're finished with this, all you need to do is select this one, go back to this cookie editor, and just tap delete all and reload again. And now you're out of the account. Of course, with regards to the owner, just a guide that do not log out the accounts, because it is hard to recover it once you've logged out the account. So for this one, do not sign this out. Once you're finished with this, just go back to this cookie editor and select delete all. And make sure to delete all of your files once you're finished. So if you have ever encountered that the cookies are not working, just wait for 3 to 4 hours and it will be okay. And if you have enjoyed this video again, please like and subscribe on my channel, and do not forget to turn on the subscription or subscription bell on my channel, of course. This is me again, JC. Thank you, stay safe, and God bless. Bye!